Hey everybody, it's mixed music, C-Fade, DJ, card collector, But I was at Walmart and got a box of this blaster box. If you can see, with Donruss 2015. One exclusive rookie threads memorabilia card per box on average. Yeah, check it out. So, what else? Can look for 1984 throwback rookies. One rated rookie from the 2015 NFL draft per box on average. So yeah, and then you got the odds in the back for the inserts. Check it out, the inserts. Anyway, all right, let's crack it open. See what's up. All right. Yeah, I'm liking the rookies this year. I don't know if Devontae Freeman is in this year's rookie draft. Come in. Close the door. The cats.
Did RJ leave to go to school already?
But yep. Here we go. We're gonna box break this. Out.
She left already?
Who? No, not yet. But yeah, here's the box. I'm doing a video right now. Get the cat out! Ah, man. Well, excuse that. Anyways, here we go. These are nice packs. Check it out. Donruss. I think you get how many packs? 2, 4, 6, 7 packs.
Actually, you can take it off.
All right.
See you later.
Later. Here we go. First pack. Let's see what we got. Oh, Teddy Bridgewater. You can see that, Teddy Bridgewater. Let's see what the next card is. Anyways, Teddy Bridgewater. Nice cards. Nick Foley's. I don't know if I have an insert here. Nick Foley's. These are not numbered. Oh, for the Rams, Matt Ryan. Just the back of the card. Michael Floyd. Oh. Shane Ray rookie card. Like I did get an insert, I think, of some sort. Shane Ray rookie card. Oh, rookies on the side. Terrell Davis. Some throwbacks, huh? I don't know if you remember Terrell Davis. He won the championship with John Elway back in the day. Right, Urlacher. And the insert is Green Bay Packers Elite rookie card, silver background. Looks like an insert, but it's not numbered to 42. Number 42. Yeah, there it is. Okay, that's that pack. So I got one rookie. I gotta recheck. One rookie card. 2 rookie cards. And this kid's reporter thing. That's that pack. this one. Let's see. Next pack. Peyton Manning. Kendall Wright. Julian Edelman. Card, base cards. Jordan Matthews, Robert Quinn, Clay Matthews, Desmond Trufant, and a Classics Aaron Rodgers card, number to 248. There's the back. Let's see, it says one exclusive rookie threats memorabilia card. It's probably in the pack. This might be it. This one feels thick. Mike Evans, last year's rookie. Mike Evans. What else we got here? Leonard Robinson, Darren McFadden, Brandon Flowers, Kyle Fuller, Pierre Garcon, Julius Thomas, and Elite number 5, number to 31, Teddy Bridgewater. That's what it's up. These are nice Elite cards, glossy. Let's see what those are number 2. Legends. Elite cards. It doesn't say. I'll have to look that up. Anyway.